If you're wanting to make that one Punjabi dish, I would definitely recommend you trying this one Punjabi dish. Trust me, it's packed with flavor. Come on, let's make it. First, you need to take cleaned and washed chicken. Here I've taken boneless chicken. You can take chicken with bones. I'm seasoning it up with some salt. I'm adding in some turmeric powder. Now I'll be adding in some Kashmiri powder, Kashmiri chili powder. Here, for all my recipes, I don't add any kind of colors or anything. It's comes from the Kashmiri chili powder or from the natural colors. Now I'm squeezing in some lemon juice and I'll marinate the chicken really very well. Now 15 minutes if you marinate for this particular dish is enough. But if you're on you're on office run or you do the meal prep, you can marinate it overnight, completely your choice, and you can keep it in the fridge. Here 15 minutes is completely enough. In a pan I've taken ghee. Once the ghee has melted, I've added in onions. Now fry the onions really very well till it's beautifully caramelized or turn a dark pink and slightly brown. Now the key to any gravy or the flavors to enhance or to enrich or to get that beautiful flavor is for the onions, ginger, garlic to be fried or sauteed really very well. Now my onions are beautifully caramelized. I've added in chopped garlic. Now roast the garlic really very well till the raw smell goes. Your nose is your best friend to know whether the garlic is fried or no. So fry the garlic really very well. Now I feel my garlic and onions are being lovely sauteed and completely done. Now I'm adding in chopped tomatoes and mix it really very well. Combine the onion, garlic, tomatoes really very well. Saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now let's start seasoning it up with some turmeric powder. Next I'll be adding in some salt to taste. You can add in salt a little and later you can adjust it as per your taste. I've added in Kashmiri chili powder. Next I'll be adding in some garam masala powder. Then I'll be adding in some coriander powder, and then I'll be adding in crushed and dried crushed kasuri methi. Once you add this, mix all of these ingredients really very well. You need to mix this really very well till the oil separates. That is when the flavor of the gravy turns out to be really very well. Now our base is ready. Let's add in a little bit of hot water so that it doesn't get burnt. Mix it really very well. Once you feel the gravy is nice and done, at this stage I'm adding in some marinated chicken which we had previously marinated. Add all the chicken really very well. Next, toss the chicken or mix it or coat the chicken really very well with the lovely masala or the base which we have done. See to that each and every piece of chicken is beautifully coated with the lovely spice which we made. Once you feel the chicken is being coated really very well with the masala, just add in a little bit of water. Again combine, just see to that all the ingredients are coming together beautifully. And then what you can do is cover it with the lid and let it cook for at least 10 minutes on a very low flame. After 10 minutes, take off the lid, just mix it really very well. And then the key ingredient for any Punjabi dish is butter. So I'm mixing it really very well. Now I'm adding in some butter. This gives a rich, buttery, creamy, tasty flavor to our Punjabi chicken. Now I've added in the butter, mixing it really very well. Finally, I'm adding in some fresh coriander leaves. I'm adding in some ginger julienne, and that's it. You're super tasty, super simple Punjabi chicken is ready. Try this with hot rice, steamed rice, jeera rice, ghee rice, or with your naan, roti, chapati, anything. Try this recipe. Let me know your feedback on the comments below. As I always say, please note the measurement and the ingredients on the screen. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Try this recipe and let me know your feedback. Enjoy.